Good afternoon, everyone. This is KIT Iizuka campus on Thursday, April 17th. This is fourth period for English 7D. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. Basically, I want to download one more piece of software. This time, that's Quizlet. And I want to introduce to you how to use that so then we can use that to study vocabulary together. And you can use these sets to study before you have to take your vocabulary quizzes. Okay. For your assignments this week, you have a listening quiz. That listening quiz, like all of your quizzes, are based on your having an opportunity. I'm sorry, 3 opportunities. Each one is 15 minutes. And if you don't do well on one of your opportunities, take it again. You can take it up to 3 times until you get a good score, and Moodle will automatically remember your best score. Your reflection this week is about writing an email. And writing an email in Japanese is already maybe something that you're not used to, even from first year. But especially in English, writing an email can be a little bit difficult. So I want you to watch this video. It's in English, okay? Do your best. If you have to, you can write notes and stuff. But this is the question that I want you to answer. Write a paragraph. So a paragraph is at least 3 or 4 sentences. Write a paragraph on what you learned is important about formatting and writing an email. And that's something that I want you to write on a piece of paper with ballpoint pen. Okay, on paper, write your name and your student number, take a picture, and send that up to Moodle, just like you did last time when we did the first reflection. And I think only 17 people have submitted that, but if you haven't done this reflection yet, I'll explain it again. And if there are any assignments that you missed, yes, it will be late because it was due last Friday. So it will be late. You'll be knocked down a little bit in points, but it's better than getting 0. And if you don't submit, you're going to get 0. So don't forget to keep up with all of these assignments. Okay. Then after that, we're going to start actually working on your fluency. We studied shadow talking last week, but now we're going to be actually learning how to make some other English sentences. Okay, now if I haven't showed you that before, if you're looking to talk to me, that's my email right there, jdmcruz@gmail.com. You can use that anytime you want if you want to contact me and ask a question. Yes, I speak Japanese. Yes, I can read Japanese. I can also write Japanese, but if you ask me something, you're my English student, so I'm going to answer you in English. Maybe take it as an opportunity to practice a little bit of English, at least your English reading. And by the way, if you ever want to talk to me in English, just talk to me in English. I'll always answer you in English if you speak to me in English. If you speak to me in Japanese, I'll speak to you in Japanese. Me, I like speaking Japanese, so I like the chance to speak Japanese with Japanese people. I hope you can start speaking a little bit of English too. Okay, other than that, don't forget, you have your reflection that will be due on Friday, this Friday at 11 p.m. Your listening quiz will finish in 10 days, April 27th, also at 11 p.m. So you try to use your 3 chances. Don't just leave it until the last minute. Okay? Any questions, contact me by email or come talk to me during the class. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.